somewhere different again. It's alright. Al probably just wants me to review another product. But yeah, he does. Hello ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to another episode of Rather British Review. This is I, Michael Burhan, forced to do the bidding of some big robotic AI system thingy. And yes, I'm doing another product review. This is the Cyrus Soundkey. It gives an additional 96 kHz to your audio devices, whether it be your headset or your microphone. It allows you to have clear quality and crystal sound for whatever you want to use it for. It only works on PC devices, including desktop PCs and laptops. The device comes packaged with the Cyrus Soundkey itself, your micro USB extension cable, and also it comes with your audio cables as well that connect into one side via the Cyrus Soundkey, and then the other side goes directly into your microphone and audio ports. When I've been using it for my PC gaming experiences, such as listening to music, listening to YouTube, or basic sound editing, it does give a clear and conscious sound quality. It boosts my sound card tremendously, even though my sound card is pretty good on its own. It's easy to put together as you place the audio outlet straight into the Cyrus Soundkey itself. The microphone goes straight into your mic port, and then you just place the micro USB into the Cyrus Soundkey as well. That way, once it goes into your laptop, it gives you the additional boost for your mic audio and also for your sound audio, depending on if you like your sound crisp and cut. But as a sound system, it only works as kind of a band-aid in a sense, an audio boost for your system that is not reaching the optimal levels in terms of sound systems. It does what it says on the tin. It gives a huge bit of clarity to your audio, especially if your kit does not meet its spec, and it's a lot cheaper than paying for a overhauled sound card, or if you have a laptop or a Mac. In order to actually increase your sound capabilities, you would have to basically upgrade towards their parts, which would cost you about £400 to £500. The Soundkey itself is only £99 and gives you that additional benefit for those who want to purchase it. Now, as always, I give my products on this show a rating between 1 and a 5. From 1 being the worst and 5 being the best, I give the Cyrus Soundkey a great 4.5 out of 5. It is a great little product, and it does work for those who want to actually optimize their older systems. But in terms of what it is used for and how much you can get out of it, it does need a lot more care. It does what it says on the tin. It gives your mic audio and also your audio for sound quality an additional boost, and gives you everything that you want from a sound system. The only thing about it is that it only works on PC. If you're looking to upgrade your sound card, this is a cheaper option for any person out there who wants to pay for quality but can't afford to pay the £400 to £500 to upgrade. Now, as always, guys, you can leave your comments below and let me know what you think about the Cyrus Soundkey. Is it worth its money? Yes, it is. Do I think it needs to be a little bit cheaper? I do. I think if you could probably pick one up for about £50, that would be great. But at £99 price point, you're still paying a little bit more at market for a product that is basically there to upgrade your sound card and allow you to have a better mic range, or allow you to actually have a better sound system for when you want to play your games via your PC. And that's it from me. And as always, make sure you subscribe to nerdgenius.com and make sure you click on that bell if you want to stay up to date with my channel videos. And this has been Michael Burhan from another Rather British Review, letting you know that I've got gameplay. Have you?